Hello everyone. So today is another day, a new week, and I'm moving to another place. I have to get back to Bocas to do some groceries, get some things done, stock some food. Actually, I also need some water, get rid of some trash. So I've spent now a few days here in this beautiful place, Playa Estrella. It's still quiet, not many tourists today, just a few people coming. But for me, it's time to go. Going to check out new places. Ready to go. Bye bye Playa Estrella. That was really a beautiful spot. Could really come back anytime again. Very calm, very nice, beautiful. A new beautiful morning in this anchorage here. This bay is called Saigon. I hope I pronounce it well. This is actually part of Bocas Town here behind me. So I'm planning to pull my anchor and move to the other side in front of Bocas Town and get some more groceries from the bigger supermarket, and then move on back to Isla Bastimentos and explore the other parts of Bastimentos which I didn't explore yet. So another day started. It's actually already midday, but I got my stuff organized, I got my laundry washed, I got some groceries, I filled my water tank, and now I'm going to pull my anchor and head over to Isla Bastimentos. Old Bank, Bastimentos. Very colorful. Very colorful at the moment, but they had a party here. We're celebrating something. I couldn't figure out what they were celebrating, but that's why all this decoration. Look at this amazing nature. Today I'm doing a hike to Wizard Bay from Old Bank, Old Town. There is a trail going to the beach, and we decided to explore that today. This is me and another couple that I met. So here we are at Wizard Beach. Amazing, nice, beautiful beach. Really pretty. And a soggy bottom, a bar. I've spent enough time here now. Time to move to the next anchorage and explore other things. At least it was nice and beautiful. Time to move on. Engine is running. Cooling system is okay. Okay, let's pull the anchor. Okay, now we're loose. Anchor is up. Let's go. I'm again moving. The next anchoring spot. Let's drop our anchor. So normally I'm supposed to be drifting back with the wind. It's already turning. That's cool. Tension is building up. Alright. So, engine off. It's quiet and peaceful. This is Red Frog Beach. Look at this view. Look at these colors. Another little hike to the Polo Beach. Beautiful forest here. And all of this just to find the red frog and the sloth. And still none of them. And still didn't find any of them. It's incredible. I got one highlight, finally. After hiking and walking and sweating, we found a sloth up here in the tree. Yeah, that's a lot of sweat, but it's worth it. This nature here is so amazing and beautiful. Besides the beaches and the forest. I now finally also found the sloth. It's cool, it's amazing. And finally I found the red frog. I'm back on the boat again. It was a nice tour today, many hours. But it was successful. We saw the sloth, even two of them, and the red frog was not for nothing. All the sweat, all the effort, and now I'm tired. And it was a nice day till now. Now it's midday, time for lunch and taking a break. This week's episode is more about beautiful moments and amazing nature and exploring and enjoying. And as you can see, I do. This sunset is just amazing. As you may notice, it's not always sunshine in the Caribbean and not in Panama either. It's actually very rainy. And with that weather, I'm done with activities, and even projects have to wait now, at least the projects outside. I was doing something a little bit in the meantime, in between. I will show you that in another episode when it's all complete. And with that, I'm finishing this episode with a rainy ending. But it's still beautiful, it's still nice and warm, and actually I'm enjoying that little cooling off. Thank you all very much for watching. Special thanks to my Patreons for supporting me. I appreciate a lot and it helps me a lot. I wish you all the best and see you in the next week's episodes. Bye bye. Cheers.